What's going on, guys? It is Dope Dance back here, and I am here with another game tutorial, which is Angry Birds. Just got back from watching this movie, and I like the movie. You guys I suggest you to go watch it. I'm gonna turn it up here for a little bit so you can hear it real quick. It's basically the sound on it. Really cool. That's basically how you play. I'm starting from scratch, so as I know from Angry Birds, you just shoot the bird back and you try to kill the little pigs, but you just gotta be precise about it. Yeah, see, that didn't do much. I'm not doing much. I didn't knock it over, so I'm gonna come over here and restart that. And I get special birds. When it does that, it makes the bird stronger. Yeah, these aren't working. I gotta. Hopefully that knocks them over. Oh no. Come on. It's not working. Or knocking anything over. There we go. I killed one. But seems to be with the regular birds, I can't get anything. Come over here, started to get. I'm sorry, guys. It's just not doing what I wanted to do. Oh, if it only had fallen. Yeah, gotta restart. Come on. I need to pass this level. I don't think there's any way for me to get across from this level now either. So, I'm gonna back it out right now, and I'm gonna try another level. I couldn't get that level. This looks like a way more interesting level. And there's different types of birds. Here, I'm gonna move this down here. So, like, there's this bird. If you tap the screen, uh, three appear. There's this bird. You shoot this bird high, and you tap it, and it drops a egg, and the egg blows up on the pigs. And this bird right here, you tap the screen, it goes even faster. If you watch the movie, you would understand about these birds. And you have this bird over here, which is called, I call it the boom boom bird, because you shoot it off and it blows up like that. So that would help you if you got stuck on a level. It just didn't help me in the other one because this is another one. So yeah, let me turn it up so you can hear the sound.